To my witches, warlocks, kings, and queens, if you're new here, welcome. And welcome back if you're returning. I am the Good Witch, your spiritual goddess, here to help you along your spiritual journey. In this video, I'll be walking you through a ritual to perform when the new moon cycle is in the sign of Capricorn. Before getting into the ritual, I'd like to suggest 3 things to consider for any time the moon is in Capricorn. Take this time to organize your closet. Moons in Capricorn are excellent for concentration and focus. Capricorns prefer to take on chores that you would not typically be capable of, like organizing a portion of your home. Plan a visit to an elderly relative. The ideal time to see an elderly loved one is right now because Capricorn rules authority and age. Try keeping your cool. Use yoga to soothe your sore bones and maintain your flexibility. The knees, which are ruled by Capricorn, are symbolic of flexibility as well as a readiness to submit to a higher force, such as when you kneel to pray. And lastly, get a massage. When the moon is in Saturn's sign, we all tend to feel a little jiggly or out of place, maybe even lethargic. And a massage helps iron out the kinks. The energy of Capricorn is incredibly anchored, almost hefty. Why not make the most of this practical Capricorn new moon by dedicating yourself to something that is crucial for your well-being? This could be anything from having a strong physical or financial foundation to a successful partnership. Everyone has good intentions, but occasionally life interferes and we fail to carry them out. So spend some time before the ritual selecting one item you're willing to commit to. Something so important that you'll stop at nothing to make it happen. To perform this ritual, you will need 4 crystals associated with the root chakra, a stick of sage in a glass bowl, 1 red candle, citrus-scented oil such as lemon or grapefruit, a clear goal or outcome, and a journal. Place your crystals in each of the 4 principal corners of your residence. This establishes sacred space and grounds the energy. Then, after lighting your sage, proceed clockwise through each area while you observe the smoke purifying and extinguishing all ill will. This is particularly crucial if there has recently been any drama or heavy energy in the area. Corners are areas where stale energy tends to collect, so pay close attention to them. As you walk, take a few deep breaths to let any tension or worry out. When finished, remove the sage from the glass bowl. Anoint your candle with the citrus oil and take 3 deep breaths, expanding your diaphragm with each inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. exhale. Taking in a breath of the fresh, purifying aromas from the oil. You can now place your candle on your altar if you have one. If not, placing it on a flat surface is just fine. You can gaze into the candle flame. That'll help you find your center. Ask your spirit guides to send you their compassion and bold energy. Consider the commitment you're about to make while turning your attention inward. Think about your desired result, such as a certain amount in your bank account or a romantic connection. Whatever it is, declare your intentions out loud. Speak into the universe directly. Whatever it is for you, feel what it's like to already possess it. You may sit with these thoughts and intentions for as long as you like. Once you feel like you're complete and done, extinguish the candle and journal describing the sensation that you felt. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you're feeling at peace, centered, and grounded. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how you're feeling if you made it to the very end of this video. Feel free to share this content with any loved ones, family, friends, whoever it is that you would like to walk with you on this spiritual journey. Enjoy the rest of your day, morning or night. Ashe.